Hey gang, just thought I'd give you an update on my next project. This is how this was sent to me. Evidently, whoever sent it, which they wanted to remain anonymous, tried to do a restoration on their own and messed up the posts and gave up on it. So I'm gonna give it a whirl, see if I can at least get it painted up and glued back together. It was always my favorite Hot Wheels, and at least I'll have one on static display that still rolls. Coming soon. Make sure you check it out. Bye bye. Bye Bonds. Opa signing out.